Mexico City, just watch as a powerful 7.2 earthquake rocked not only southern but central Mexico as well, shaking buildings across Mexico City. And here it is, people ran out into the streets. You might remember, the region is already reeling from 2 quakes that hit central Mexico in September. Those left over 300 people dead.
No ragazzi, è crollata tutta la strada, oh. Cioè non c'è più la strada, ragazzi. Oddio, sta cascando.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Angel here with Scarrack. I'm here with another video, another update video regarding earthquakes, sinkholes, and of course, and again, volcanoes. You know, there's a lot of stuff happening all over the world right now. You know, a lot of people believe we're heading for a global cool down. Some believe we're heading for a pretty big heat wave. You know, in my belief, we're heading for an ice age, a global cool down. But there is, again, a lot of things happening in weather monitors, unless it's just errors. But I don't believe it's errors. I do believe the government is using some kind of technology, some NextRad or whatever you want to call it. You know, some rays, some microwave rays they're using to create these fake clouds, right? Haarp clouds. And also to control the weather and cause these storms, to steer the storms, right? So, I don't know, folks, this is very weird. There's a lot of stuff happening in weather monitors and it's just getting worse. Yep, it's getting worse. You know, imagine in the next, I don't know, 30 years, I guess. How will the weather be acting like in the next 30 years? It's not gonna be very good, right? It's gonna be very bad. And how hard are they steering the weather right now, right? It's a lot, right? They're spraying the skies. It really has gotten much more worse than before. And imagine in 30 years, the weather's gonna be freaking crazy. There's gonna be like, I don't know, 5 storms at a time. Every day, I guess. No, I'm overreacting there, but you get what I'm saying here, right? So what are causing these earthquakes? What is causing these sinkholes, right? A lot of people believe it's just the sand smuggling theory. Remember that? Where, of course, they take out the sand for supplies and all that. And, you know, the more sand we take away, the water rises, and that's how we're sinking. And this is why it could be the possibility why we're having a lot of sinkholes. Earthquakes, of course, there's a lot of earthquakes happening all around the world. Also, landslides are happening all over the world. Again, landslides are now common nowadays everywhere. Now imagine the Hoover Dam breaking. That would just be even worse. That would be very bad. So what is causing this, folks? Let me know in the comments. Is it Haarp? Is it the sand smuggling? Or is it just nature itself? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Are we heading for a global cool down, an ice age, or are we heading for a big heat wave? Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you again.